In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about how to check if the group policy is applied to a client. So if I open my group policy management console, I have a group policy object named as root-cert. What this will do is this will deploy the root certificate to the client PCs. As you can see, this is the configuration. So I have applied this to the workstation OU, where I have all the PCs listed here in this OU. So how are we going to check if this policy is applied to the client? So first of all, the basic thing that you can do is to run a GP result /r to check if the policy is applied. But in this case, by default, RSOP data of a particular user, if we need to get the GP result on a computer object, we type GP result. Scope computer /r. This won't run because this needs to be run as administrator. Okay. Result. Scope computer. This one in here we can give the use object as well. Right. As you can see, the group policy is updated, and this is the last time it's applied. DPO is also applied to the client PC. If this is there, so if you have a one domain architecture in your company or in your organization, this will work fine. But what if you have multiple DCs having parent and child domains? So in that case, you need to check the file replication is working fine, right? You might get issues even though this group policy object is applied to the PC. You will get errors, right? So a simple way to check this is from the client PC, you give your FQDN and from the run and go to the sysvol folder, right? And then go to your domain name and under policies. And from this, what you can do is you can check under details, you can get the unique ID. In my case, starting with 243A. And from here, this one. All the domain controllers, they should have the modified date as this. If there is any mismatch, the users who are connected to that particular domain controller will get affected. To check that, if you run echo local on the server, as you can see, I have connected to DC1, but let's assume there is DC2 and it's having a modified date of an old version here. There can be multiple reasons for this. The main thing is the file replication is not working. So if the modified date is mismatched the actual date, you will get an error. Definitely you will get the old setting of this particular GPO. If this GPO is created a long time ago, those particular old details will come into the client PC, right? So that's how you check if the group policy is applying to a client object from the client PC. Thank you very much for watching.